Yeah? It's a radio number. Every other Wednesday or every Wednesday or even once a month, you fucking idiot. I'm going to send that off to bloody, whatever you call it. Oh.
Well, that one that does all
Say my name.
Fuck! That was fucking close, you fucking stupid.
No!
You motherfucker, you!
And a lot of the discussion around climate change has a lot to do with like having hope and what we're doing it for.
Things that I've also looked at, and this is just again comparing to classical. When classical computing came along, we made hardware, but we didn't know what we were going to do with it. So we moved to ones when computing came along. We made hardware, but we didn't know what we were going to do.
Get off the phone. Fuck you! What the fuck is wrong with you?
I'm an inconsiderate brat!
Got him! Got
a lot of money for that. Oh yeah.
Hey Scotty, who do you reckon was the idiot who designed that bloody Range Rover? Jeez, that's ugly as full of assholes.
Ugly, very ugly.
Don't be stupid.
Wow.
I'm a wanker, and I'm always pulling my pull.
I'm a wanker, 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 I'm a wanker. You're a yob, or you're a wanker, take
See how they come through? Go.
You're in big trouble now, mister.
Big trouble.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Every day. Every fucking day.
You had to do the economics of shit. Yeah, you had to do the economics of shit.
In Australian teams, in particular in the Silicon area, has been quite extraordinary.
years of steel. We had comfortable fields.